Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you probably know, Ireland's biggest export is people. And one of the greatest importers of these people is a certain English gentleman whom we in Ireland hold in the highest respect, because he's taken us out of many a hole in his time. He's put us into a few as well, mind you. His name is Sir Robert McAlpine. Sing about him. It was in the year of 39, when the sky was full of lead, when Hitler was heading for Poland, and Paddy for Holyhead. Come all you pincher laddies, and you long-distance men, don't ever work for McAlpine, for Wimpy or John Lang. For you'll stand behind the mixer till your skin is turned to tan, and they'll say good on you, Paddy, with your boat fare in your hand. Oh, the crack was good in Cricklewood, and they wouldn't leave the Crown, with the glasses flying and biddies crying, so Paddy was going to tell. Oh, mother dear, I'm over here. I never will come back. What keeps me here is the rake of beer, the ladies, and the crack. Oh, as down the glen came McAlpine's men, with their shovels slung behind them. 'Cause in the pub they drank the sub, and up in the spike you'll find them. They sweated blood and they washed down mud with pints and quarts of beer. And now we're on the road again with McAlpine's Fusiliers. I've stooped to the skin with the darky Flynn, way down upon the Isle of Grain. With the horse-faced tool, then I knew the rule, no money if you stopped for rain. When McAlpine God with a well-filled hod, your shoulders cut to bits and seared. And woe to he went to look for tea with the McAlpine's Fusiliers. I remember the day that the Bear O'Shea fell into a concrete stairs. What the horse-face said when he saw him dead, well, it wasn't what the rich call prayers. I'm a navvy short with the one retort that reached on to my ears. When the going is rough, well, you must be tough with McAlpine's Fusiliers. I've worked till the sweat it has had me pet with a Russian, Czech and Pole. On shuttering jammed up in the hydro dams or underneath the Thames in a hole. I've grafted hard and I've got me cards and many a ganger's fist across me ears. If you pride of your life, don't join by Christ with McAlpine's Fusiliers.